got good there? All right, cool. Let's take these off. I wanted to show you guys my hair, and guys, this is my first time, so bear with me here. But I do want to point out that I did a really good job parting my hair this time. I wanted to show you guys what I did. So I braided my hair. I think I have about 62 plaits in my hair, but just so you guys can see, this is what my hair looks like right now. At this point, I feel like I should already know the technique on how to complete this damn hairstyle, but as of now, honestly, I like what it looks like. I do. I really do. It's just that I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like free twisting. Like, this is frustrating me, and excuse the mess over here. First of all, I had somewhat enough hair, but then I didn't because I started wasting it because I wasn't sure of what I was doing. A lot of the videos that I looked at and watched in order to understand what I was doing kept saying, yeah, you just twist it. I'm doing that, but I don't know if it's because the hair is soft. It's like making it more complicated than I need to. So in this case, I'm just going to show you guys what I've been doing. Like I said, with all my other videos, these are not tutorials. This is me showing you the struggle, and hopefully you guys can figure out on your own, I guess. It's too mad, just too mad. And I just comb the hair out. I don't even care how naughty it is. I kind of want it naughty because I had the go-go curls, but with these curls it's kind of wavy, and I really don't care for it to be wavy at this point. And you guys are gonna see the whole struggle of what I did. To begin, you want to start off with your crochet pin, insert it in between your box braid, and make sure you have a loop with the hair that you combed out so that you can place it into the pin like so. And then you want to close your latch. Once you close your latch, you want to slide it through the braid, and then I'm going to keep one of the strand and place it into the loop so that you create a knot. Like that. Now the hair looks a little fuzzy, but that's okay. This is going to help with the thickness for me. I was supposed to use the go-go braid, but that didn't really work out well for me because I utilized the whole entire pack, or all of the packs I should say. So here I am twisting. So I'm going to get a little closer to show you guys. So I'm twisting, and I'm placing my finger on top to hold it down. Now, the problem that I had with doing this was apparently I wasn't twisting it tight enough, and I was a bit scared of twisting it too tight because I didn't want my dress to be stiff. So you'll see the arrow that I made, but this is the same method that you use in order to do the dreads. So you are twisting, you just need to twist a little tighter. So I'm twisting away until I reach the last of the strand. And I'm just going to keep going. And then you're definitely going to need nail glue in order to secure this. Some people braid it. I'm not sure how that works for them, but I think that the nail glue definitely helped me in securing it because it didn't unravel. So now this is the part where it gets a little technical. So you're gonna need glue, and just make sure you're not gluing your hair. That's the only recommendation I can give you guys. So you put a little bit of glue and you wrap the hair. So in this case, pay attention to what's going to happen. It unravels. So my issue is that it kind of moves up and down still, but to me it doesn't look bad. So I measure to see how long I want the hair to be, which is roughly around here. So So what I do is wrap this up, take the hair, wrap it up here, and start wrapping the hair itself from where I left off. Now, obviously, these pieces are a little thinner. So I have to stay and wrap as much as I can on top of here first. So here I am taking another strand and including it into the braid like I said, or the dread I should say. And I am just rewrapping what I've done previously. It's almost like I used the initial dread as a base instead of my actual hair, and that's the annoying part of it. So each dread that I use, I think I've probably used 4 to 5 strands, which turned out okay. It's just that you're using more hair than you should. So as I'm wrapping, I'm adding the nail glue at the end to secure it, and then I go right back up by wrapping upwards. So here I am wrapping upwards, and then of course you secure it again. Alright, so the question is, how do we fix this? You have this situation going on here. So in order for me to fix this part, what I did was take another strand and I folded it in half in a sense, and then I started roping my hair towards the top. So I'm going up and down in a sense, and then I start roping upwards towards my scalp. And then once that part is finished, I go at the bottom and complete the remaining part of that. Look at this. I fixed it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So I knew it was gonna come out good, but teaching you guys, I don't know if we can do that. You saw the struggle, but let me know what you guys think about this look. If you're gonna try it out, if I can find videos on something that looks similar to this, I will link it in the description box below. But honestly, this was like the scariest hairstyle I can do, because when I looked at a whole bunch of videos initially, I was like, oh, I got this. Like, I went and bought the hair and everything, ended up having to use more hair because I wasted so much hair from the errors that I've been making. But I do know that with time and practice I will get better. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video and watching me struggle throughout this whole experience. If you guys like videos like this or want any more content, please leave a comment below. Thanks, bye.